I have a file in my directory called gb3.txt. Contained in it are the 4 lines: Ulsan, Busan, Seoul, and Daegu. Those are locations in Korea. What I want to do is open them up and have Python print them out. There are a few ways to do that. Some are rather unique. So let's experiment. F equals file equals open gb3.txt, single quote, close braces, enter. So what type of data is my file? It's a text IO wrapper. Okay, that's good. For I in what? Well, file.readlines, open close braces, colon. This is what I want you to do. Print out I, and then the end of the file will be equal to single quote, close parens. All right, so it knows what to do when it gets there, which is to stop. Enter, enter, and out come the parade of hits. So I said read lines in the file, and for each one of the lines that you go through, for each one of the I's, print out that I, and remember at the end of the file is the single quote. That's where you stop. All right, that looks nice. I'm going to close this file now, f.close, and open close parens. Oh, file.close, open close parens. I'm going to have to start using the letter F. All right, now, I want to open up that file again, but this time a little bit differently. I'm going to use the letter F. I-L. I still like that. File equals open, single quote, gb3.txt, single quote, close parens. Now, open gb3.txt dot read lines, open close parens. So file equals this file. Oh, read all the lines into file off of that gb3.txt. Okay. What type of data is file? No. It's a class list. What do you know? It's not an IO wrapper anymore. A text IO wrapper. Wow. Well, in that case, for I in F, colon, file, colon, print out the following. I, comma, END equals single quote, close parens, enter, enter. Oh, where did I go wrong? Print, spelling error. Oh, typo. Go back here. T, not a Y, T. All right, enter, enter, and there I've got my parade of hits. But that's not reading that out of a file. It's reading that out of a list. Remember now, what type of data is the variable file? Well, it's a list object. Wow. Well, if it's a list object and not a file object, then do I really need this to tell it it's the end of the file? Well, let's find out. Let's keep this whole thing in again, the easy way. And let's omit this part this time. See what we get. For I in file, which is a list object, print I. We get the same thing again, but this time we get an extra line there. Well, basically it's the same though. I want to do something that's a little bit different now. Till now, we've been saying for I in file, and all the work was done before this. And then we put the variable here. What if we do all the work here? And forget about the variables. The text IO wrapper. Let's try that. See what happens. Now, I don't have any files open right now. Remember, if I were to do a file.close, I'm going to probably get an error because the file is not open. And it's not a file object to begin with. All right. So what is it that you want to do that's new? For I want to open up the file called gb3.txt. That's the file I want to open up. And what do I want to do? I want to read the lines from there right out of that file. That's what I want to do. Colon. What's wrong with my keyboard today? For in, before I said file equals open lines. Well, now I'm getting rid of that line. I'm condensing it all down into one line. For in, open this file and execute this method associated with the opening of this file, colon, and then I want you to print I, and the end of the file equals single quote. Now let's see what happens. Enter, enter. Oh, it worked. That was really beautiful. So what we did was we condensed it all down from 2 lines into one statement. Wow. Well, that's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole saying bye-bye.